Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. Man, I'm gonna come back with another video. Hey, man, say, man, look, if you look down at your right screen, you'll see it was 333. Yes, it's 3 a.m. in the morning. It is what it is, bro. Make sure to like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, man. Listen, y'all wasting y'all life like scrolling on YouTube when all y'all gotta do is subscribe to upnextmalyt, and all the videos gonna be right there. Cause this all I do, bro. All I do is watch YouTube videos. You can ask any of my subscribers, any of my supporters. All I do is watch YouTube videos, bro. All I do is react to YouTube videos. So shout out to that man O'Shea Duke Jackson. Female cop changed his job after 6 black men smashed. It's crazy. Alright. We about to hop straight into it, but first off and foremost, man, shout out to O'Shea Duke Jackson. Without him, this video wouldn't be possible. Make sure y'all go support him. Go like his video, right? Let's hop straight into it. Let's get it. Let's go. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. Obviously, my energy is a little piped down. I'm a tad bit low. But you know, we still got videos to make. So let's hop straight into it. Let's get it. Let's go. And y'all know how bro like to do. Y'all know when he do the newscast, he got the female cop, then he gonna talk about different other subjects and things of that nature. If y'all wanna watch the full video, if I don't watch this full video, cause sometimes I'll like click off, cause I got hella other videos to watch. Like I say, minimum 10 uploads in under 24 hours, so hella videos to watch. If it's not all the way about the female cop, I might click off of it. Watch the whole video over there.
Your favorite news network, the Dusty News Network. You know where Negro news comes first, and I'm so excited to be your host today. Breaking news. Imagine you read a story about somebody who's new on the job, assuming that you work for them. They come in and they're new, and let's just say, for an example, they're a female. They're there for 3 or 4 weeks, and all of a sudden you find out that they're married. You minding your business, but basically you understand that other people are interested in them for whatever reason. One day you go into the break room and you want to go and get you some coffee or something out the snack bar, and you walk in and you like, you see 5 dudes over there clapping this lady.
Come on, I'm trying to get mom's house.
Tell you what I'll do. I'ma say, can I get next? Fast forward. Now, that sounded like it was crazy, because it was, but that is the actual story of this young white lady by the name of Megan Hall. She worked at the Laverne Police Department. Now, before she did that, she was a pharmacy technician. Then she got into law enforcement. Now, Megan Hall was married to her husband when she started working at this police department and started dealing with a lot of dudes on the police department, including the chief of police. And so when they found out that they were exchanging booty clapping sounds, pictures and videos and messages, this ultimately happened.
December 12th, 2022, a complaint was filed at the Laverne, Tennessee Police Department, the very place where Megan Hall worked. The complaint was filed by none other than the mayor of Laverne, Jason Cole, who had been given a tip that Megan was allegedly having intimate relations with other members of the department, including, but not limited to, some very passionate happenings while on the clock.
But wait a minute, she got fired, right? Yes, and so did the other officers get fired. But she is white, and she was about to go out like that. Fast forward. She decided that she was going to get paid for her booty clapping. Y'all wasn't going to clap her cheeks for free. So she went and got a lawyer and sued the city of Laverne, Tennessee, saying that she was sexually coerced into getting her cheeks clapped by all of these black cops.
Megan Hall, the only female officer fired in connection to Laverne Police Department scandal, reaches a settlement with the city. She will receive $500,000 because she dismissed a lawsuit against the city. Hall and 4 other officers were fired in January of last year after an investigation showed she and other male officers had sex on the job and lied about it. But the lawsuit claimed that she was a victim of sexual harassment and that she was groomed. Since the investigation made national headlines, her attorney said she was publicly ridiculed, which made it difficult for her to find a job. The city did not admit any liability, and Hall settlement money will not come from taxpayer dollars. We are told the city's insurance provider will pay that $500,000.
But wait, there's more. After getting that money, she bought a brand new house. With who?
Who was Soulja Boy?
Her husband. That's right. All those dudes that clapped her cheeks. Listen, she got paid. The husband said, damn, we're going to stay together. You know what I'm saying? You weren't making that much money anyway. Take that money, let's buy this house. And then guess what? She got a new job. And the job that she got, well, that's her. She is now a pharmacy technician. I don't want to disclose where because it's not important. But I just have one question. Do they got dudes that work there at this healthcare facility? Probably so. And you want to know what she probably gonna do? Get her cheeks clapped all technician or healthcare facility saying that she was coerced. If this ain't DEI, I don't know what it is. This is white women's DEI or something. This is crazy. How can you get your cheeks clapped, then get money to buy a house, change careers, and get hired again? This is some BS. And you know what else is funny? She ain't even got no cheeks. Let me talk to you black men out there who like the white keep it hype. Come on, man. I don't like to talk about nobody looks because I do understand that I am one of the sexiest people.
Stop the cap.
But damn, man, if you're gonna lose your wife and some of these dudes is married, could she at least have some cheeks? Have y'all been to Uganda? I'm just saying, man, if you come here, there's no way you leaving and going back to that. Y'all are dusty. Y'all got fired over this chick.
He said y'all are dusty.
And she got the money. And now your ass ain't got nothing? That's crazy. Next story! Now, guys, we got a really good story because that is actually right next to my home state, California. And I believe in this particular instance, we have somebody in Nevada doing something very interesting. A man and a woman. Give them a round of applause. And
Death by cheeks. Widow sues hotel after husband dies during his last ride. With them alleged says shouldn't allow her to roam free. What?
yes, it is some sexual activity.
You know what? This a whole nother video. I'm gonna catch y'all. Next video.